All right, so in this video, I'm going to show how you can adjust the audio levels of a video that's even playing in the background. So if I click on a video I have here, it'll actually start to play. And let's see if we can make sure you can hear it. All right, so you can hear that a little bit. And I've got it on the slides, so it's slides going over the top of it. And the video is playing. I can hear the audio. But if I want to adjust that background video, I just hover over here, this little bar under the burgundy. Because if you hit the burgundy, it'll clear it. But if you hit the bar up under, it gives you all the video settings. So on the far right, you can click mute and it goes off. You can also set it to loop or not. You can skip up. If you hover over, you'll see it kind of jump to those certain times that you want, and you just click and it'll skip up to that portion of the video. But that is pretty cool when it comes to how this program works. So I started playing again, and I'll play the audio by clicking on unmute, and there it goes. It's unmuted, and then it's muted, and this is a background video.